Magandang umaga po. Ako po si Andrew. Yan po ang pamilya ko.
Joy.
Bubukas po kami ng cheese.
Mama, feed
Here.
you.
Yeah, okay.
Mama, feed you.
Ano sabi niya, Grandma?
Mama feed you.
Feed me. You say, yeah, feed me.
Mama, no.
Ako na.
Subtil.
Mama, feed you.
Mm.
Ay,
No.
Mama's gonna feed Ashton Blazer.
Dino.
No, here in the
He
table.
wants to sit down on the stair. Okay, let's go.
No, Mama. No,
Kasi kayo nagluto. Sige siya ako.
Mama.
Yung itlog na lang. Ayun, hindi ko
Ako
pa
na, ako na.
napati.
Nasaan?
Wala pa akong napati.
Ilan ang one ko?
Dalawa siguro. Dalawa. Okay. Yeah, it's very cold here. It's very hard.
You eat cheese there? You eat cheese there? Blazer?
Okay. Who will feed you?
Uncle?
No,
Who will feed you?
Grandma.
Grandma.
Wow naman. Mm.
She's delicious. She eats very well.
Is it good? Is it good?
Yes, Uncle.
Very good. Yes, Uncle. Nakuha ka on video, Mama.
Ready?
What?
Oh, you chew it very well.
Yung buhok niya nakakapit talaga sa ulo niya naman.
You eat now because I'm going to eat also with Grandpa.
Why do we eat it?
Yeah, I'll eat egg and rice with Grandpa.
Mm.
Hindi pa
Say
naman
hello.
nagsalita.
Say hello to the camera, Ashton Blaze. Say hello. Yum. Mm.
Is it yummy?
Hi. Blazer, ang arte mo. Nakakagigil ka. Pareho kayo ng grandma mo. Nakakagigil talaga.
Ayaw pa niya pag ginaganon mo palagi. Let me see your mouth.
Let me see your mouth.
No, don't do that.
Don't do that to Uncle.
Let me see your mouth first. Okay. Mm.
Thanks, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
Not yet. Oh, you bite it first. Let me see your mouth. Your hands are dirty.
Si Blazer talaga, tingnan mo. Oh.
No more, just that. You see, there's cheese in
Your hand.
No, the other side. The other side. There, oh. See?
Bye, Ashton Blaze. Bye-bye.
There's cheese there also.